Today, I think I was sold the wrong thing. Because I have this deck currently, and I need to put this deck in there. And it doesn't look like it'll fit. Now, these have manual switches. They physically pull cables. This almost looks like it might fit. In fact, the overall width will fit. And the angles are the same. But it reroutes a few things. And it deletes the physical switches. So am I able to use digital? There's been weirder things before, like Le Pons that don't have tachometers, so you take out a clock and magically it becomes a tachometer. So I'm not saying it's impossible, but it does look like they sold me the wrong thing and they cut this harness, which I'm just realizing. So, unless there's a hidden fuse, a hidden, oh, yeah, this isn't going to replace it, is it? It doesn't look like it.
After much battling with the seller, they admitted they sent me the wrong thing, and they will not refund me, and they will not take this back. So I'll put their name on the screen just for you guys to make sure you don't deal with these guys, because yeah, they certainly screwed me over. So I'll be contacting my bank shortly. Reason being, this panel is digital, this one is manual. So as you turn these, you'll see that gears physically turn on the inside. If you remove this and you go beep boop beep, there's nothing to turn the gears to make the flaps close and open. So this is essentially just, I don't know what I'm going to do with it because I can't do anything with it. So moving on to the next thing for now is this. This is the actual deck itself that we're going to be putting in. There's somebody's card in here. Swing. Wait a minute. This isn't an ETC. Oh, this is a TV card. Oh. TV here is free. But when you have like a house satellite dish and stuff, which I don't because I don't have TV, everyone just uses the internet. Back in the day in Japan, they had these cards that you put in the back of the TV, which give you TV, because you don't have to pay for these, you just have them. You know what is very helpful? That I got this from the exact car that I have, so that I have the OEM side here, and it goes right into the deck, so I can finish this in about 6 minutes. Okay, screw it, we're gonna install this. So it looks like, I know how these work, they go on the window, so I'm gonna have to put some double-sided tape and put it right there. And shout out to this seller on screen who actually sent me the right item. Okay, we got our music. And then check out the digital TV. Should work pretty instantly. Nice. So that's what these antennas are. There and there. So we got ourselves TV. We got HDD, which is the music. We got FM, AM, auxiliary,
And yeah, should be able to open this up. In which case we have Memory Stick Pro, CD DVD, 1 seg. So we're good. Now it's time to do some actual maintenance on the car. That's the next one.